morning. Today I will show you I will explain to you how we revised the whole layout for the DDA. So the problem was the DDA, our population, our batch we're too many, and we're more than the number of seats in the DDA. So we had to find a way to make the DDA bigger or to add more seats. So this is our plan here. This is the stage. So from the old layout, it's this one. This is the stage, and these were the seats. This is the old DDA, and this is the tele room. And so from our new one, yeah, that's the tele room here, computer room, and then this we just turned this whole thing like that, and we made the stage into a moon shape or a letter U shape, so it looks bigger. And then the seats, obviously there are more. In the middle, the aisle in the middle, the seats are straight, and the others are curved. It's curved. We still have the control room. This is the dressing rooms, boys and girls, and yeah, this is our fire exits. So yeah, we have fire exits here. This is the entrance, this here. So it's sort of like the CPA, but it's made to fit the ground floor of the main building. And these are our equations. Now, look, the change we made here is we took out the garden. This is a garden. We took out the whole garden and we extended this part. We extended this DDA until here. So now, there's no more garden. So, this whole thing, this till here, that's the DDA. And then, our equation was, we had to get the total area of this. So, for our equations, the first thing we did was, we had to solve for this part. This is our x, because we extended this part of the DDA here. So, we had to add this part to this whole thing to get the total area of this. Now, to solve for our x, first thing we did was we divided this 26668 by 3. So that's this, this, and this. And then this, we assumed it's equal to this. Okay? This one. Now, this x, we also assume that it's 3/5 of this whole thing. Now, 26668 divided by 3 is it's actually just 8.889. Then 3/5 of 8.889 is 5.3334. Now we just added this 16092 plus 5.3334. It will give you 21.4254. Now, since we're already given this, which is 26668, to get the area of this whole thing, we just have to multiply this and this whole thing. Now, 26668 times 21.4254 is 541.372. Now, the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, which is 96.1868. This actually this is our target area, and this is our target perimeter. We want to have that area for our final revised layout and also this perimeter. So, to get that, we had to use quadratic formula. And yeah. So we got this area, which is that area, which is 429.14, and the perimeter of the old DDA is 85.52. So we'll start with that. Now, the perimeter's equation is 2x plus 2y, and our target perimeter is this one. Now, we divided it by 2, to get smaller values, to get x and y. This method, we use substitution method. So we just transpose the x to this side. So, but rewriting the whole equation, it's just y equals 48.0934 minus x. Now we're gonna use that in the equation for area. So our target area is 541. It's there, and then we substituted the y to this. So x times that. Now, as you can see, we can form now a quadratic equation coming from this. We just transpose this there. Now we have a full quadratic equation. So obviously you can't factor that. So the only thing we can do there is quadratic formula, which is this one. This is our quadratic formula. And then we just substituted all the values. So there, negative b, this is our b. And then b squared is that. Then 4 times a, which is just 1, so we can just take that out, times c. This is our c. Then simplifying everything, we got to x is 26.6682 and 21.4252. Okay? Yeah. So thank you for listening, and